Hello, Netazal Mar here from No Hassle website and all things No Hassle. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install your own SSL certificate on your website. So this is offered to people in certain hosting companies. For example, SiteGround gives it for free. And if you're hosted with No Hassle website, you're also going to get it for free. And you definitely want to have SSL installed on your website. The reason you want it is because if you don't have it installed, then people who visit your website may get this kind of error, okay? So you know that you don't have the SSL installed correctly and everything is working if you are not seeing the HTTPS all nice and green. If you're only seeing HTTP, or if you're getting this error, then you know you don't have SSL. So we don't want that. We want people to get straight to our website without any warnings. And you also don't want Google to punish you for not having SSL. So let me show you how to do it. This is available if your hosting offers it to you. And if your hosting does offer it, especially for free, then they're probably using something called Let's Encrypt. So to install that, you need to get to your cPanel. Now, this is a classic, typical cPanel, but yours may look different. In any case, you're going to look for Let's Encrypt, okay? Once you find that, you're going to click on it. And you are going to see all the domains and subdomains you have on that cPanel. In our case, I want to install the SSL on this domain. So you're going to choose the domain you want, and then you're going to click Install. Now, it's going to tell you usually that it's in a queue, and this can take between 30 seconds and 30 minutes. So what I like to do is just give it a little bit of time and then go click back on Home, scroll back down to Let's Encrypt, and click on it again and see if it's already ready. Let's see. It's not. So let me stop the video, and I'll be back as soon as the SSL is installed. I'll be right back. See you soon. Okay, so I waited just 20 seconds, went back to Let's Encrypt, and now it is installed. We know it's installed because we can see it here, and it says active. Now we need to go back to our website and see if it is working. If it's not working, then there's yet another step you need to do. And in any case, I recommend you take this step. So I am going to, it is working. We can see the HTTP is fine. The padlock is showing nicely and it's not green, it's not red. However, I do want to show you the next step. So I'm logging into the back end of my website and I'm going to install a new plugin. So I go to plugins and add new. This plugin is called, you just search here, you write really simple SSL. What this plugin does is it finds anything on your website that is not secure and is not HTTPS already, and it fixes it. Okay, so I'm just going to click Install Now. If you've never installed the plugin, that's how it's done. And then Activate. And when I activate this plugin, it will show me this little warning. Or not warning, just letting me know what's going to happen. It asks me to go ahead and activate SSL. If all is good and you've already installed your SSL certificate, this step should work fine. So it's going to switch over to HTTPS. Everything from now on will be HTTPS and should work fine. We can go and visit the website and any page we want, and it will say HTTPS. We will have no warnings, and the padlock will be closed as it should be. So that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm always available. Bye-bye. Ciao.